Okay, Cora. You want to roll? Come to me.
What are you doing?
Here. Sissy wants to roll. See? Whoosh. Yay. Can you do that? Don't step on her. Can you roll? Can you roll like Sissy? Okay, Sissy. Turn around. Let's roll. Bend over. No, don't fall back. Bend over. No. Okay. No. Come on, Delilah. Show me that you can roll. Roll. Oh, you're going to roll over like a puppy. Here, Cora. Move. Mommy's going to roll, okay? Mommy wants you to roll.
Yeah.
Can y'all roll like that? Well, let's put it up because we're not doing that right now, okay? See, we're going to plug it in because it's not charged. Cora, stop. Delilah.
Sorry.
Here, roll. Can you roll? Come here.
I know.
Woo! You want to go, Delilah? You want to go? No? Okay. That was mean.